are you doing? You are watching EZRA ONDARA TV. My name is EZRA ONDARA. I am coming live to you from the lush green Kiamunyi. Yes, it is always the lush green, whether it is rainy, whether it is sunny, whether it is dusty, whichever weather it is, Kiamunyi is always the lush green Kiamunyi. Now, some of you have been asking, EZRA, can we find a 2-bedroom Airbnb there in Nakuru? And especially even in that Kiamunyi. Can we find an Airbnb there? Oh yes, why not? So behind me, all right, we have something known as Morning Star Apartments, sawa. And there we have the Morning Star Villa Airbnb. Actually, just go to the link in the description. That Airbnb is even listed there. So you can go there, see pictures and what have you. But this apartment is located just opposite St. Cecilia Academy in Kiamunyi. St. Cecilia Academy, that is the landmark. And just opposite, ukifika tu hapo, my number of course is always on the screen. Hit me up and you know what, come, you know, if you are coming for work, if you're coming for travel, you know, if you're in Nakuru and you're looking for a place, you can just go sit down, you know, have a cool head, do some work there. Paka kuna working table pale ndani, all right, you will see. Sawa. Now, let's go. So, without further ado, tuende ndani. By the way, this apartment, this Airbnb apartment, hey, this is the most sparkling Airbnb ambayo nimeona kwa zile nyingi ambazo nimepatana nazo. Sawa. So, let's go. Come with me. Very well, this is the unit. So wacha nitoe viatu, you know, I told you this thing is sparkling. So sitaki hata kuacha ka dust hapa. Ai. Hadi mtu anasikia atipito. Maybe hata socks iko na kanyasi nini. You don't want to chafua, eh? Anyway, I am inside the Airbnb Morning Star Villa. So here we are. In the lounge, okay? So they have done a 5-seater here. You can sit on that side or better, whichever side you choose to sit. I like the touches here. Just look at, you know, the touches here on this sofa. What else do we have here? Some books to read. Are you a reader? Are you on any book reading club, eh? So they've even done some books here. Which one is this? Win at Work, Succeed at Life. When you come here, for sure, you need to read these. Some wine glasses down here. Really nice, you know. And there's Wi-Fi. This is like a 50-inch TV there for maximum entertainment, okay? So the Wi-Fi pale, acha nione. They gave me a password. Acha nione kama naweza ingia EZRA ONDARA TV. Ni watch content yangu pale kidogo. Yeah. All right, can I get to EZRA ONDARA TV? Let me see what I put this morning. Oh yes, Wi-Fi is working, very fast Wi-Fi. So I like the wall lamps. The lighting in the room is good. I like their curtains pale. You know, they are really, they are blending with the sofas hapo namna hiyo, okay? Aya, come with me, tafadhali. Come with me. Very well, so through that door, and this is a large house. This house is truly spacious. So, the kitchen, just look at the touches in the kitchen. Up on here, you have a 4-burner there, you have a fridge there, you have a dispenser there, you have a microwave there. Those kind of amenities that you expect to find in an Airbnb, they are all here. Sawa. And there is even a coffee, sugar, and tea. Did I tell about that story when I went to an Airbnb somewhere in Malindi? And I got there at night and there was not even sugar. I couldn't even prepare a cup of tea. Look at the amount, the number of glasses ambazo ziko hapo juu, you know, za chai na za maji, you know, really nice. Nice. There are some sufurias there. So, this is a properly done Airbnb. Wewe kuja, pika, bebana tu na nguo zako peke yake. All right? So, out here, yeah, there's more space out here actually, okay? Kuna more space huku. I think there is supposed to be, yeah, okay, this is the laundry area hapa hivi, okay, mahali pa kufulia. I see even you know, wameanika zingine hapo somewhat some beddings zimeanikwa hapo nje. So let's check out the rest of the house. But hey, this place is sparkling. I mean, hadi unasikia tu utipito. It is so clean. The tiles hapa chini, they are not busy. Just classy, you know, in a way, and they are sparkling. Just sijui kama videographer wangu anaweza mulika hizo tiles. Alright, mimi have been blown away by this Airbnb. Kusema ukweli, it is so sparkling. Alright, everywhere you turn, hata sioni dirt, hata kidogo. It is so clean. Okay. Aya, sasa bafu and the toilet, they are separated. This is the bafu, and on the other side, this is the toilet upper. Okay. Some nini, those two things, to kuosha, to kufanya, to air freshener, tuko hapo namna hiyo. Even this, yani this nini is sparkling bana. That neto nini? The sink. Now this is one of the bedrooms. Remember, it is a 2-bedroom master ensuite. Just wait until tufike kwa the master bedroom, ndo utajua mambo. Now look at, hey, walai this apartment, hata kama wana rent, yani kama kuna ya kurent, for those ambao wanauza EZRA, can we find an apartment for rent? And I think there's a unit huko juu moja. I asked, check it to this apartment. Okay, this is a 4x6 bed, and look at the amount of space you have here. All right, now bedding imefanywa tu vizuri. I can bet this person ambaye prepare this BNB, they must have experience in the hotel industry. I mean, hadi waneka pattern ya towel nini, mimi sijui hizi vitu. All right, I'm seeing them today. I like their wardrobes, okay? The MDF material ambayo wameweka hapa namna hiyo, plenty of storage, and the organization is really nice. You know, the organization here iko some more beddings hapo. Umekewa beddings zingine hapo. So ukikuja ulalie siku mbili usikie, I don't like these ones, just change enda kwa zingine. Bas, let's check out the master bedroom. Na sasa hapa, bas, we are inside the master bedroom. Ingewezekana ningejirusha kwa hii bed, lakini am I that? Are my clothes that? Am I that clean? Juu nimetoka nje kwenye kutembea. Now, this is a 5x6 bed they have done here. And again, look at this is a spacious room, okay? Bed iko huko, look at where I'm standing, okay? Plenty of room for moving around in this master bedroom. The curtains hapo shears, the curtains zenyewe, you know, they are really, okay, ni plain, you know, it's a plainish gray. Is it gray? Which color is this? I could be colorblind, but this color actually, it blends na hii color ya wardrobes hapa. All right, you see? This color and this one. So the person ambaye prepare nyumba, this person kusema ukweli, is either they have an experience in interior design, or they have an experience in the hotel industry, or they are just people who pay attention to detail. Look at the pattern again hapa kwa hii master bedroom yenye wameweka hapa. Different from ile ingine ilikuwa pale, but I don't even know how people come up with this. I've seen this in hotel, but man, the preparation of this room is really nice. I like the light hapo juu, all right? Really unique, okay? Not just the normal. What? Is this a bathroom? Is this a bathroom or a hall? Is this a bathroom or a hall? See where I'm standing, man. Is this a bathroom? Okay, sabuni iko hapo. Usikuje kusema ati, they did not put soap and soap dish and what have you. Okay? The towel hanger is there. The sink is just sparkling clean. Really nice. You have a nice hand wash there. It looks like it is brand new. And the toilet, wow, I really love this apartment. I mean, imagine the shower area is on that side and the toilet is on this side. So like they're separate, you know. I hate this idea that when you are showering there, maji inamwagikia nini? Inamwagikia tissue, but here the tissue na vitu zake ziko upande huu, alafu mahali pa kuoga ni huku. Is this a hall? Or is this another smaller bedroom or a bathroom? Wow. The apartment itself is nice. The architect ambaye aliunda hii, I give you so much credit. The person who has designed this Airbnb, super Wow, this is a spacious apartment. Sijui ni hamia huku, hiyo unit moja ambayo imebaki huko. Guys, here at this apartment, there's one unit. There's a unit remaining pale, and they told me they charge 27,000. So perhaps you're also looking for an apartment for rent. In fact, touring this Airbnb even gives you an idea of how you can plan your unit should you opt to take that unit kule juu. So let me go back to the lounge. Let me go back to the lounge so that we can talk about wow, this this is the Burj Khalifa, right? This Burj Khalifa model. You see it? Wow, really nice. I told you, I mean, the person who has designed this apartment, they surely have a taste for interior design. How much are they offering this? You know, Ezra, you take us around, you tell us blah, 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 but you don't tell us much. So this apartment is being offered at 5,500 Kenya shillings, and I'm sure it is pretty much affordable. 5,500, 2-bedroom. You have seen everything that in it. We have gone around. You have seen the amenities. You have seen the features of this apartment at 5,500 per night. And of course, for longer stays, always, you know, you get discounts for longer stays, 2 weeks, 1 month, you know. And the location again is so good. You just saw us at the road, and then we came in. So the location again, tick. All right, you can't get lost. Opposite St. Cecilia Academy. The amenities, tick. The touches, tick. Cleanliness, tick. Everything here is just tick. I mean, I'm struggling to find anything I can nag these guys about. Is there anything you have spotted which you can nag these guys? I mean, surely tell me. Just drop it in the comments and let me know. But up to that point, let me just say see you in the next one. For me, let me go and talk to the B&B owner. Mia nibaie chai. So I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, and if you're looking for even other Airbnbs elsewhere, not necessarily Kiamunyi. For those who say Kiamunyi is far, imagine Kiamunyi is just 4 km from town. 4 kilometers from town, and you are in Kiamunyi. So those people who say Kiamunyi is far, I usually wonder, Kiamunyi is far how? I walked from town to Kiamunyi just to prove to you it is not far. Kiamunyi is just 4 kilometers from town. 4. But anyway, if you don't want Kiamunyi, still, I'm the plug, you know, just let me know. Ezra, I don't want that apartment in Kiamunyi. I want elsewhere. Fine, I have more, we'll do more. But for now, this is sparkling, just as the title says, this is the most sparkling Airbnb apartment that I've come across. See you in the next one.